Are you looking to create eye-catching landing page creatives effortlessly? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use AdCreative AI to design high-converting landing page creatives, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around to see how you can elevate your ads in minutes, and I'll also share an exclusive bonus for you to use AdCreative AI for free. So, AdCreative AI is an amazing tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate high-quality ad creatives. Whether you're building a landing page, running paid campaigns, or optimizing your website, this software can help you design ads that not only look great, but are tailored for performance. The key advantage of AdCreative AI is its ability to use machine learning to analyze data and suggest ad creatives that drive engagement and conversions. Let's break it down. Once you're in AdCreative AI, the first step is to connect your preferred ad platform, whether it's Facebook, Google, or any other platform that you use to promote your landing pages. AdCreative AI will integrate with your account seamlessly, and once connected, it starts working its magic by pulling insights and data. Now, to actually create your landing page creative, you simply enter a few details. You'll need to define your product or service, upload any logos or images, and write a brief description. Based on this input, AdCreative AI generates multiple creative variations, offering you a range of options for your landing page. The software doesn't just throw out random designs, it takes into account the best performing ad styles from across the web. But here's the trick. AdCreative AI isn't just about creating designs, it optimizes for performance. What makes this software powerful is that it actually tests the creatives and provides data on which ones are more likely to engage your target audience. You can choose the best ones, tweak them further, and improve your conversion rates with minimal effort. All of this is done with AI-driven suggestions, making the design process super fast. You might be wondering, how easy is it to use? Well, AdCreative AI has a very user-friendly interface. Once your creatives are ready, it's simple to export them in the formats you need for landing page use, whether that's image files or animated versions. The tool's intelligent suggestions and ease of use mean that even if you've never worked with creatives before, you'll get great results without the need for a designer, but the real game changer is the performance analytics. AdCreative AI continuously learns from your data, providing real-time feedback on how your creatives are doing. You can test different versions and see which ones generate the most clicks, which are leading to higher conversions, and which are underperforming. The more data it has, the smarter the AI gets, allowing you to refine your campaigns and landing pages even further. Now, the best part of all of this. If you're new to AdCreative AI and want to try it out yourself, you can get started for free. Just click the link in the description below, and you'll get exclusive access to a free trial of the software with extended bonuses to help you get the most out of it. If you've been searching for an easy way to supercharge your landing page creatives and get high-converting designs without the hassle, AdCreative AI is the tool for you. The AI takes care of the heavy lifting, and you can focus on running your campaigns and seeing results. Don't forget to use the exclusive link below for your extended free trial and start making smarter landing page creatives today.